I can't believe we're driving to the beach.
We're going to the beach.
Whoa. Okay. Wow! Oh!
Pinky!
Ow! Pinky!
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but
What was
I'm okay.
that?
I think we tripped over something. But Pinky, you're about to get ran over by a car.
Be careful. That's why I told you shouldn't be sticking
But
out
it's
like
fun. Rainbow What are you doing?
that. Always happens. Especially since you're waiting on me, Pinky. It's podcast. Oh. Let's
Fine,
go.
I really want to stay like this. But wait.
What?
I'm gonna see. I'm gonna see what we tripped over.
Take that.
Trash.
Oh, we haven't even gone to the beach yet and there's already trash.
Look, we're going. Hey guys, by the way, sorry we didn't say hi before, but
Yeah,
we're gonna
hi.
be trash collecting.
Yeah, and
What
even
is
though
it?
we're
Look
going
at
to
this. This is a smashed strawberry.
Oh, and the paper. So we're gonna put them in these bags.
This one. Don't use those ones. Those have the beach blankets in them.
We
Oh,
won't
right.
use it.
Sorry.
Already fell out of the car. So let's put these in the bag and then we're gonna throw them in the garbage can.
From the bag, but after
We heard
like, the
this
whole
beach has a lot of litter. That's
Literally,
why we
look.
Get
Turn around.
literally,
Yeah.
literally. Look at all that trash. There's so much.
A little upper so they can see all of the trash.
There's so much garbage.
And there's not much people because of all the litter.
There's
Wait a
barely
minute.
any.
Look at the princesses. I mean, the principals, our teachers.
Our teachers are at the beach.
When is their summer break?
Pick up the trash bag. We don't want to leave more litter in the garbage. Green float around the garbage. Okay, put that on. We gotta get rolling again. A little bit of trash can't stop us. Verity, what is it with you and falling?
Ugh! Ow!
And Pinky.
I know, like this then. Sunday Sugar needs to tell me if there's any trash I'm gonna bump into. You're on her face.
Ow, 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 ow.
Sorry.
I'm stuck.
Shh. Shh. Pinky, sit properly.
Yeah, try to sit properly. But then we all can't fit. So Pinky has to sit unproperly. My headphones are falling off. Let's go.
With the trash bags!
The trash bags! We're gonna make more litter!
Oh, you're right. You know some of the trash bags don't have trash.
But still, that's the litter, Amy. It's still even plastic bags and full. Where's my headphones?
You probably dropped them. But we can't go back right now.
What? No. I have to. Huh? The puppy gave them back to me. You forgot lunchtime. You hadn't talked about one day.
Oh, right. Sorry. I rescued this little puppy from getting ran over.
What are you gonna name it? Does it have a name?
Seashell.
Does it have a collar?
Yeah, her name is Seashell.
Oh, very.
And her owner's at the beach, so she's a lost dog. So let's get moving. Okay, so I want to see if I can try and find her. Okay, it's so sunny here at the beach. I mean, look at how many people. There's only like that group of people, that group of people, that group of people. Well,
Wow, there's
teachers,
barely any people.
and that girl right over there. What is she doing?
Standing still.
Okay. Let's go.
Let's park. Oh, super light. We need to park our car. What is that trash thingy?
Hey! Oh, shoo. You dropped that.
Where's the clothes? You almost ran it over, and that's what we're gonna lay on. We don't want dirty tires on it.
You're right. Just put this out. Woo!
Pinky, you should have tried to
Thought
land
I would
on this.
land
It's
here.
squishy.
Yeah, look, it's just
And rainbowy and cool. That's why we're using it as beach chairs. Then we have little blankets to go over them. So let's set.
Okay, I'll do them.
So
So
where
let's-
should we set?
But next to the teachers. Oh, right. Hey, hi teachers. Oh, Pinky, what are you doing here? Where's the rest of your friends? We're just going to have a nice beach day. And they're in the car parking.
But
Ooh.
just try not to go in the water too much. There's a lot of litter.
Yeah, and I think I've seen like 5 animals trapped in the litter.
Oh no.
We're gonna have to save some of these animals.
first we gotta put everything back.
The teacher said there's some animals trapped. Wait, look. I think if we trap seahorse over there. We can. Oh no. So it's stuck.
Look at the seahorse. Trapped by a pan.
Oh yeah.
There's so many animals.
You're right. Look at all these animals that are trapped.
All of the animals are trapped.
Look at all of these.
They're all stuck.
Wait, is that a guitar right there? A guitar? A guitar in the water? Look at right there. It's definitely a guitar in the water.
That's so weird.
Look at that. Look at the seahorse stuck by a pan. Oh, right there. Oh, I think that's a little chicken fish. Its weight is seaweed. And platypus is wing is stuck. Wait, platypus with wings?
Platypus with wings?
It's weird. Oh, look at this poor swan. His wing is hurt by a rock.
Yeah. All these sea animals are in big trouble.
We gotta help them. Oh no, I'm diving in.
Already? You don't even have your swimsuit
I
on.
don't care.
You need to start setting everything up first.
Come on. Okay.
I'm sure
They're done.
Trapped
There, we're done. Now can I go? No. Felicia, you have to help out packing.
Yeah, you're acting like Tom.
Come on, seashell.
We shouldn't put our beds too close to the seashore because then the waves, the tides will come and then wash them away.
Or it could throw trash in them.
Ew. Charity definitely would not like that.
Yeah. Here, little seashell, you can stay up here. We don't want you going inside the water.
I'll put my shoes right here. Unless she knows how to swim, of course.
My shorts fell off. Good thing I have a swimsuit on.
Yeah, we have our swimsuits underneath. I'm just gonna stay here for a little bit.
Yeah, Mary wants to do that too.
You didn't even take off your clothes. You need to put your swimsuit on. I already have it on. Well, sort of. Just my clothes are on top of it.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so lazy, Sunset. Hey!
And you too, Rarity. Hey!
Just because we like to relax.
Look.
Twilight.
Okay, so
Okay, I have my swimsuit.
let's get this plan. First, we get everything good on top. Then we clean up all the litter, help the hurt animals.
We're gonna help the hurt animals. I have an apple swimsuit. Look.
Right here, I have just a normal purple swimsuit right here. I'm just gonna keep on my sunglasses right there.
Pinky has a balloon swimsuit.
Woo!
I have a normal swimsuit.
Me too.
I have one with my little cutie mark thingy. See? I think Rarity has it, if I'm not mistaken.
I have a different swimsuit from all these.
Because she's fancy. Look at it. She decorated her swimsuit. Hey, Twilight, you didn't even say hi to the principal.
Oh, hi.
Oh, there you are. Pinky came to us.
Oh yeah. So, how did this beach get so full of litter? I don't know. I think it's because of a thunderstorm.
The trash can.
Yeah.
And the stuff from the sand went in the sea. There was a lot of litter in the sand, and now there's barely any.
You brought a plant to the beach?
That's Phyllis.
Oh, sorry. Right. I know.
You need some fresh water. Look at the owl acting like a bat. But still, we brought this random hibiscus flower and some snacks. So we got a bunch of stuff. So you and your friends are having a beach day too?
Yeah, we're gonna go inside the water, help the hurt animals, and
Yeah, we saw a lot of hurt animals. Look at them.
Look at all the seaweed.
It's washing up.
Ah!
Oh no, the
Seaweed. Ow!
There's
A bunch of water went in my eyes.
You okay, Cupcake?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bad seaweed. Ah! you get? Wow, look, that girl's littering more.
Well, it is seaweed, but still.
Bad water.
Sun.
Oh, look, a piece of a rock.
Ew, this beach is super gross. What? This beach is so dirty. It smells fishy.
Why did we even come here?
Well, it said
is like the worst
it
beach.
said it was like the best beach ever, and it said a little bit about litter, so I thought there would only be like a little bit. But there's so much.
Yeah.
Like the whole ocean is covered with it. Everyone's complaining about the beach. They think it's kind of bad. Well, we want to make the beach good, so no one thinks it's so bad, and then the beach goes to waste. Let's put all these clothes in the car.
Wait, where are you going?
I was leaving.
Oh, really? Horrible. What? No! What did it say? What did she say?
What did
She said she looked a little bit around the beach, but in the deeper seas, there's even more litter.
Oh, how much litter is there on this beach?
She said a lot.
I'll take a lot as so much, like endless litter.
She said all the litter covered up all the coral. Now it doesn't really look like a pretty beach anymore.
This isn't a pretty beach. That's why we're gonna make it a pretty beach again with all these trash bags.
And I know how to make something pretty.
Yeah, but you don't know how to make a whole entire dirty ocean pretty.
Yeah, good point. Now let's go diving.
So we can get all this
Hold my sunglasses.
but still.
Let's go. I'm diving in. A starfish. That shell's on top of it. But not that shells are bad, but here, I'll help you, little starfish. I'll take you to a much safer place. A few minutes later. This part looks like it doesn't have much litter. Here, I'm going to say here, little starfish. Are you happy with your new place? Okay. Have you seen any more hurt animals?
This place is super dirty.
Ew, it's like gross. Ew.
Everyone thinks this place is awful.
Because it is awful. But we're going to make it be amazing. A bucket. Well, I need some of these bags.
Hey, I'm going in too.
So we're just going to pick up. Seashell's coming with us.
Rainbow Dash! What was that for?
Now we just brought more litter into the water.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that was like trash in there. Well, what did you think it was?
I don't know.
I don't know, food.
Okay, animals ate it. Look. I'll help. Me too. Me three. No, never mind.
There's not enough bags. You can look out for Rarity and Sunset Shimmer.
Yeah.
And remember, this is not a competition. I know.
Okay, there's enough bags for everyone.
Whoever gets the most trash wins. 3, 2, 1.
So, okay, let's split up. Then we'll gather more of the trash. Seashell's coming with one of us.
Seashell wants to go with me. No fair. I got a broken bag. Seriously?
Ow.
Thanks, Seashell. Let me just get this banana. Hey,
Ow.
Appleton, you did that for me.
Look at all this.
There's so
Oh,
much
this is a
sugar.
pretty shell, but I don't think you should just leave it floating around the
Keep
sea.
it. Let's keep it. It's such a pretty seashell.
Look, both of you, can you look after this
Yeah. It's so
seashell?
great.
I'll look after it. Maybe you can build a sandcastle with it. Okay, but don't lose it. Don't suffocate it. Maybe you can look for some crabs or something. Why don't you get some trash from the sand? There's some right here. Look at this.
Orange juice.
Throw it in the trash can. Throw red velvet. Randomly.
The trash can is right over there.
Wait.
Are you allergic to red velvet, Pinky?
No, I made a cake. I made a cake for Celestia.
Yeah.
Red velvet. Wait, you made the cupcake out of red
Oh,
velvet?
wait, remember, I forgot to thank you for, that birthday again, because we didn't thank you, we just left.
It was amazing. Thank you so much. No problem. Okay. Okay.
Look at the crab.
Look at platypus. Which one should I help?
Both of them. That one's the crab's been here like we need help.
But I think it's stuck on something. It's a little crab. No. Oh no, that little platypus is floating away. Which one should I help? Okay, I'll help.
Crab's upside down.
Here, you watch over it, Pinky.
Pinky's gonna watch over the crab.
Okay.
Let's pick up this.
Here, I'll take this out. Put it inside. Oh, take this
Look
out.
at the seahorse.
Side.
Big pan. I think the seahorse is injured. It can't like swim there anymore.
Oh no!
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Be right back.
What is she doing now?
Tell the guys that she's awesome. No!
Keep all this litter. Is that a walkie-talkie? A walkie-talkie? Maybe I should go with the swan right there. I'll go help that swan. Wait, but the seahorse. I'll
Seahorse, here, put it in here.
Yeah. And Pinky can take care of it.
Pinky, you're in charge of taking care of the hurt Pinky.
Yeah, and also keeping the shells clean
And making sure these two don't get into any trouble.
and
We don't need a babysitter.
and also seeing if there's any like litter in the trash and
You have a very important job.
So let's do this.
Do we need to throw the seaweed in the garbage can? I mean, it's kind of natural.
But it's also covering some of the animals' faces with seaweed, and it's making the ocean stinky.
Well, this is natural. I don't think we should just take it all away.
Okay, we'll keep some of it. Because some animals do make their homes by seaweed.
And they eat seaweed from it.
Like
crabs. No, crabs eat algae. Tell Fluttershy that she told me. Still. Ooh, look at this cool leaf. It's really big. Applejack, you just dropped all your litter.
Oh, great. All this litter now.
Oh, why is everyone dropping their litter? Maybe we should be more careful instead of just getting our litter and then just leave it floating in the water.
Great. Now all of our hard-work litter is a stingray.
What? Fluttershy!
Are you okay? I can't swim. Let me just take it to Pinky.
Pinky, you have another guest.
Well, that was Rudy. I was just talking, but then you interrupted. Oh, no.
And you threw my trash.
Sorry.
Sounds kind of weird because he said my
Let me just get a
trash.
bowl thing.
Okay. Fluttershy's going to get another bowl thing because I don't think he should, a stingray and seahorse should be in the same thing.
And it won't fit. Here you go. Oh, back is hurt. Okay, the seahorse is getting better, but now I have another patient here.
We should probably put some... Fluttershy, did you happen to bring some sort of animal healing cream?
Oh, yeah, I did. I gave it to Pinky.
Pinky has animal healing cream and she'll heal them all, sort of. Okay. So now we have to pick this all
Hey,
up
wait,
all over.
to make them feel a little bit more at home, why don't you just put some seaweed in their little things?
Oh, there's some litter. Here you go.
Let me just go help that swan. Fluttershy, you're not even picking up the litter. You're just trying to help animals.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the animals are important too.
We can't only care about the animals.
Oh, need to go. Go.
That's by the deep sea.
I don't care. I know how to swim. Oh, it's Feather. You okay?
It's super dirty.
I think it's because of all the seaweed and all this allergy. But look at it. Look at how dirty it is.
Super dirty.
Okay. Mom, Pinky, can you please clean this? Trying to clean the swan. Okay.
With your animal healing cream.
Okay. I can't. I'm trying. Untakeable. Okay, the someone can say right here.
I'm allergic to animal healing cream. Let's pick this all up. Fluttershy, you just constantly made us do more work because I had all my trash and then you just zoomed by and knocked it all over while trying to get that
I don't really
stain.
care.
So, the chicken fish, I almost put you in there.
I'm going to just throw some of this trash in the garbage.
Twilight, there's a chicken fish in there. What are you doing? You're killing it.
Sorry.
Okay, I have a bunch of this trash. We gotta throw it in the garbage can to make some more room for some more trash.
Look at these, both of these bags of trash we got. I think I should fill this one up a little more. So I'll just be grabbing some of this trash. Oh no, this is big seaweed. I still think we should be collecting the seaweed. Okay. So, it's more trash. Look at the trash right here. This rock.
Here's another bowl for you, Pinky, in case you have another animal.
Okay,
Still, let me throw all my stuff in the trash.
each another red velvet trash can.
Yeah, because that's like full of red velvet.
But then the
Look
trash
at all
will
the
get unstinky.
Woohoo! Swimming in the garbage can. Okay, that's kind of weird.
Oh, she's collecting all seaweed.
Yeah, just try not to throw it in the garbage can. Here you go. Fluttershy, you have some seaweed next to you. Look, the ocean is getting cleaner. I don't see that much garbage anymore.
I was so busy talking. And just one blink and the ocean got a little cleaner.
Yeah, the ocean got super clean.
But still not fully clean.
Maybe you should start swimming a little bit.
Yeah.
Some people are starting to swim, but they're still not fully swimming.
Ow, my foot. Maybe it's not fully clean.
I think I'm going back.
Yeah, ew, it's still full of this. And some animal.
Okay, maybe they're not swimming anymore.
That's a little good.
They don't want to get hurt.
Wait, what is she doing? She's taking out the seaweed from the trash can. Oh, I think she wants to keep the seaweed in the ocean, except put it in somewhere better.
Wait, is this how the ocean clean? Oops. Oops, sorry. You see. Oh,
You didn't have to run around and do
Ow,
that.
a trash can fell.
Ugh. Hey, I'm gonna go talk to her. You know, you didn't have to just zoom by and do
I'm
that.
sorry.
Why? You didn't have to run and do that.
Bye.
She rude.
Okay, I think I'm ready to do some diving.
But you.
Wait a minute, didn't you just finish cleaning up? How is it all dirty again? I saw you. You were cleaning up.
But then that girl.
Oh, look. Now it's all dirty again.
Ew.
I don't think I want to. No, don't put it.
Why you don't want me to put it in the trash can?
Sorry, you're first of all, to make it easier, we don't just put it in the trash can. That's why we have plastic bags. We don't have to keep going back and forth. Ooh, now, wow, it seems like the ocean keeps getting cleaner and dirty, and cleaner and dirty, and cleaner and dirtier, and cleaner and
Where's she
dirtier.
putting all the seaweed?
We should put it back in the ocean. So just leave it in the land for a little bit. Pinky, guard the seaweed so no one steals it.
Oh, I think she wants to keep it for some like animals to eat. Some animals eat seaweed.
Need any help? Okay, let's do my trick. Hi! What? Everyone ruining this. Oh, I'm all wet now. Ugh. Everyone keeps ruining this.
Hey, I know. Let's put a sign. It says, "Do not enter. We are cleaning right now, and please don't just knock the
They
trash can
haven't
down."
even been entering. Get the other bags.
Most people are just throwing the
We
trash
can
can.
have 2 pans. Maybe we can recycle some of this stuff. 2 rocks. Cannonball in the trash.
I'm just gonna go see if I can find some more trash. Oh look, this is it hurt or something?
Doesn't look very good.
But I don't think you should be swimming with
Twilight,
this much
look.
trash. What are you talking? Maybe I can fix this.
Are you gonna try to fix it, or are you gonna throw it in the garbage can?
I'm just gonna
Is
try
it
and
too
fix
broken?
it. No, it's not that broken. I
Ooh,
think.
maybe if it presses this button. I hope it doesn't explode.
Oh, it's not exploding. So I'll just try and fix this, and then I'll just give it to someone and
Let's
see
put
if they
this
want it.
in the trash. Look, a clam.
Oh, wait, where's their pearl?
Does it have a pearl?
Wait a minute, this looks like a gem piece inside of it. A tiny gem piece.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just keep this one on top.
Actually, put this fish in.
Pinky,
Okay.
here. Have it. I'm gonna fix that.
Everyone, we hope you enjoyed this video, but it's been 26 minutes.
we're gonna go
come
to
back
a
for part 2.
Bye.
Please subscribe so you can see the coolest new videos.
Yeah, so please subscribe.
Bye.